Hey guys, welcome back to Money Mondays. It's Anthony here from Just Married Money, and today we're going to talk about your credit report. Last week we talked about your credit score, which is essentially your report card for what's contained in your credit report. When it comes to your credit report, how does info get in there? Well, whenever you take out a credit card or get a loan, whether it's a mortgage or an auto loan, basically what happens is the lender reports to a credit reporting agency, and there's three primary ones in the US. There's Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. And they compile all this into what becomes your credit report. So what is the info that gets put in your credit report? Well, there's the amount you've borrowed, the type of credit, credit it is, whether it's a loan or a credit card or an education loan. It has the term in there, it has the interest rate, and then it has your payment history and how many payments you've made on time and if the account is in good standing. Well, why is that important? Because anytime you apply for any future loans, whether it's an auto loan, a mortgage, a personal loan, a credit card, that lender will then go and pull your credit report to see your history and to see if you are trustworthy and if you are not high risk, so if they can lend to you with essentially knowing at a pretty high rate that you're going to repay them. So what should you do when it comes to your credit report? You should check it annually. You can go to annualcreditreport.com and get a free copy of your credit report from all three bureaus or one at a time. So you can do it once every 12 months for free. And the way to do that is, let's say you want to check your credit report, but you know that you're going to purchase a home down the road within a year. So what you want to do is you can check your credit report from one of those agencies, and then down the road, when you're going to basically get ready to buy that home, you can pull it from the other two just to make sure that everything looks good. And you want to check it for accuracy, because it becomes an issue if there's any accounts on there that you don't recognize. You want to make sure that you go to that credit reporting agency and say, this is fraud, I think I'm a victim of identity theft, and work to get that corrected. And you want to check it annually because it's much easier to get something fixed if you catch it early, rather than letting it go down the line and having it affect your credit report, your credit score, and not finding out till you go to apply for a mortgage or an auto loan. And I'll attest to it. I just checked mine the other day, 28 pages long right here, but it's got everything. All of my credit histories it is contained in here, and I check it to make sure everything's accurate, because I know how vital this is to have. Alright guys, well, if you liked what you saw here, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and make sure you check out my blog at justmarriedmoney.com, where I talk about this and other topics in greater detail. So the next Money Monday, have a good one, guys.